All right, Steven, do yourself projects. All right, now look, we're making homemade gunpowder. Now I got trouble for this already. If you're under the age of 18, get your parents' permission. I have a project that I need this for. Like like gunpowder is used for fireworks and stuff. Do not blow up your neighbor's mailbox. Now, I'm just gonna go through it quick as I can. All right. So just chill, and here we go. All right. This is a little grinder. I got the charcoal in there. All right. Charcoal, get it as fine as you can. Got it out of the fireplace. And I just showed you a piece of wood. I actually didn't come off the damn wood. All right, now, Home Depot don't pay me to say this, but it's overdust from Home Depot. Sulfur, all right? That's it. Yeah, stuff. Potassium nitrate, Amazon. I'm gonna tell you right now, Amazon. They take care of all that. Plexiglass don't mean shit. All right, now, in the 800s, Chinese people come up with it. All right, that found you didn't make it. So apparently somebody must have blew their little wig off or something. I don't know. But anyway, this is sulfur. This is charcoal, and this is potassium nitrate. Now, apart from each other, they ain't gonna do shit unless I have something that's nice with. All right, so hold 1 second. I know as soon as I damn move my hands, it'll be bad. As I move my hand, I gotta start over. Hold on. Stay still. And then the damn dogs go off. Okay, the dogs started barking at the neighbors. We don't have neighbors. Right now. Oh, I found out how to do that. All right, now. Keep your chemicals away. Do not mix all three of them in here. Every time you break something down, get as fine as you can. Clean this out. These three chemicals are explosive together. I'll show you. This is sulfur. All right, now, what you can't see is that little purple flame, little bitty, and it smells funny, okay? Now, that's sulfur. You got the little bit of flame, and you just put it out like that. You just put it out with the stick. All right, now, of course, y'all know, charcoal. Here we go. Charcoal says, I ain't gonna do it, we done did it. All right, so you already know what happened there. Potassium nitrate is a little different. It makes little bubbles. You see a couple of black little twigs in there, ain't gonna do nothing. But see, really nothing. Now, here's the funny part. All right, now, y'all saw a part. Now, the potassium nitrate is here. Got 75% of that. Okay, now I'm just gonna guesstimate. I'm gonna take this as 75%. This whole damn thing. All right, now you need 15% of the charcoal. So I'm gonna say this. There's my 15%. You really don't look like shit, really. This is not a guesstimation. This is a whoops. And now you need 10%. 75%. Okay, everybody do math. 75% and 15% is what? That's right, 85%. You in the back. All right, now. How much do I need for 100%? That's right, dude with dreadlocks in front. Okay, here you go. Now, 10% really ain't shit, really. So just sprinkle a little bit on there. Get whatever the hell that was up. And now, actually, that was that purple stuff on fire. Now, I'm gonna mix this up. Now, anybody can tell me what color gunpowder is? You know I'm actually talking to myself, and really I'm just making up somebody saying something. I got dogs here, that's all I got. All right, now, see that color right there? I don't like that color. Do you like that color? No. All right, now, I'll take this right here. Go right over here. Is it there? Ooh, we're gonna make it black. Look at that. It's black. Ooh, look at that. It's black. It ain't black enough for me. Yeah. All right, now, it looks like I was just playing in some sand, right, y'all? That sand just become a bullet. Now, I'm gonna go right here. Now, my pretty plexiglass is gonna look funny. Now, you wanna get all your flammable chemicals that way. Make sure your work area is safe and clean, okay? And let's see if we can make it go boom. Right. It's not going boom. You know what that means, huh? Anybody? It didn't go boom. All right, now. What I did was without an exact formula, what you're gonna end up with is a nice flare. In other words, you will sit there with a lighter and cook your little hand off until it pops off. So this is what we'll do. I'm gonna add a little bit I need to put in there. All right, see right there? And now this one. Y'all see that rock running across there? It was fast. All right. Now what I did was that right there. I just put some charcoal on the ground. I just ran out of there, and I got what they call a sifter. Well, I guess it's called it. I call it a strainer. You know, some northern people call it a strainer. Some people down here call it sifters. I call it something that ran over in the yard. Okay, yay! Watch this shit. And now remember, you want this fine, so you gotta go to the sifter with this strainer, whatever you want to call it. All right, shake the shit out of it. All right, now. You really can't tell what I did, but it just looks like it's pepper, right? And it's too much. Now, mix your shit up. I use somebody's thermometer. It ain't mine, so I don't care. Jim Crack Corn, I don't care. All right. Now, y'all be thinking, he don't know what the hell he's doing. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you now. I probably don't, but we're gonna find out. No, son, I don't know what I'm doing, and I admit it, I ain't scared. Alright, so I'm gonna move this way. I'm gonna make this little pile, which I think that pile is too much already. That's scaring the shit out of me. So I'm gonna move that pile over here. I'm gonna spread it down because this is gonna look funny. Alright, too much over there, too much over there. Okay, get all your chemicals away. Alright, hold on your little nuts, buddy. It twinkles. There goes. Oh, wow, ooh, oh, guess what? So, was that gunpowder? Or was that what? That was a chemical reaction between three earthbound chemicals that are common everywhere. Sulfur comes from ashes already. When you burn anything, the ashes, you can take your sulfur out of it. Charcoal, you know where it comes from. You can make that by yourself. Potassium nitrate. Check out my my other video for that one because that's a long damn process. All right, now that's gunpowder, fellas. What I'm gonna do is with this gunpowder. Oh, I already got it pre-mixed. I had to keep it away. It's already chemical and it's already set up. All I gotta do is just mix it up, make the, you know. That's plenty for what I need. And if you want to know the exact formula and everything like that, you can look at my my other video on it. If they allow me to play it. All right, this Steve do-it-yourself projects. Don't blow yourself up. Keep your nuts dry and holler back. All right, subscribe. Hell, tell me what you think. You don't like it? Fuck you. Just tell me what you think. All right, holler.